Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So now on this tutorial I'll be showing you step by steps on how you can make a Victorian corset yourself or for your clients. So let's get into it. Please, shortly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel, help me to like, comment, and share with your loved ones, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. Let's get into it, guys. Yeah, as you can see, I already cut out the patterns on velvet, as you can see. So and I also give it a good press with the stay and stay I'm using for this tutorial, as you can see. So here are the sides and the center of the front, and this here is the back of the patterns. So this is the regular boning I'll be using for this tutorial, and as you can see, I'll be joining this piece together, and then I'll come back and show you all how it is. So guys, as you can see, here is the yoke. I already cut out the yoke on net. This is two net. As you can see, this is on fold. I cut it in two, one for the lining and the other for the main top. So now here is for the back, which is two for each sides. Here is another two for each sides of the back yoke. So that will be all about the yoke. So I have also joined the back panels and other panel for this corset together. This is the back, as you can see, with the lining and the fabric. So this is it, one for the right and left side. This is how it should be looking. You know, I said I am making this for a very slim person. So here is the front. This is the lining for the front. I've given it a good press at the center, as you can see, after sewing it. So here is the upper side of the panel now. This is just what you will get after joining it together. You can see she's not really that busty. So this is how your corset should be looking even before attaching any cup or boning. So as you can see, I've not attached anything. This is just the fabric, and you can see how it is already giving the shape. So this is the lining part. You can see how shapy it is looking already. So I'll bring the original boning right now. So I'll be putting this on each line. So depends on how curvy or shapy you want your original boning to stay inside inwards. So after doing that, before doing that, I'll first take the measurement with this particular panel using the main fabric to sew this. So I'll do that as well for the lining, and also insert the bonnet. Then I'll come back and show you all. I'll also be doing it on this lining, then I'll come back and show you the end result of how I go about it, including the yoke and every other thing. So I'll come back and show you now how it is looking. Quickly explain this. For the joining of the yoke into this dress, because I already did that, it's just the way you do your normal blouse that has yoke. You're going to be joining this in as much you cut it on pattern. So I attached it using 1/2 inch. Then but before doing that, I already attached both the front panels together, and then I attached the yoke, and then I joined the linings also together from the center back. So that's why this is looking this way. So here is the front panel, and this is the lining, as you can see. So this is the lining. I only added boning to the main fabric, which is the front fabric of this corset. So you can see the bonings are already inserted. So this is a original boning where you can sew it on bias. You can as well do this while you're using your transparent corset. So this is just the same formula. So I'll be flipping it to the right side now. So as you can see, I already added stones to this because of time, and I'm working with time to meet up with my client's delivering date. So here is the front. As you can see, still yet to add the sleeve. So, and this is the net, as you can see, already stoned. So on this center back, this is where I started attaching the lining. So you join like half an inch, so you before attaching your boning. So this stands as the stiff area of that back, whereby the channel of your loop or your eyelet will be sitting. So that's all about that. So now this is the front. You can see how form this is looking already. So afterwards, your sewing, you can decide to give it any shape on the down part of the dress if you wish, like I did for mine, where I'll be showing you later on. So this is the Victorian corset so far. So I'll be showing you how to cut the sleeve. Now this is the lace fabric I'm using for this sleeve. So now I already folded this into four, as you can see. So the armhole I'm working with is 16 inches round. So I'll be attaching one extra 1 inches for ease. Then I will also be attaching extra 1 inches for sewing allowance. So on the down part for the wrist measurement, I have 8 inches. So I'll be adding up 1 inches for sewing allowance, which is 5 inches on fold. So I'll connect it now from that end there to the armhole area. So I'll cut this out now. So after cutting it out, remember this sleeve is of two parts. So this is from the shoulder downwards to the wrist, which is 22 inches. So the total sleeve measurements, I mean the long sleeve I'm working with, is 26 inches. So I'll be cutting the flare part of this dress by 6 to 7 inches because I want it to be very long. So this is the shoulder to the wrist now. So make sure you add extra 1 inches for joining the flare, and again joining it into your dress later on. So this is for both the left and right hand of your sleeve. So like you all know, the front part is actually not the same as the back, so I'll just be cutting out that deep hole for the front armhole. So after doing this, we are good with that part. So here I already made this already cut out these long straps as the flare part of the sleeve. So I hope you all enjoy this. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly click on the subscribe button. So here is the length. You can see how long that is on fold. So I cut this now on two, for one for the left and the other for the right hand side. So that will be all for the sleeve. After joining it, I will show you all how it is looking. Here is the final result. As you can see how lovely, as you can see the down part, I gave it the shape I want it to be. So just make sure before giving it the shape, you already attach your original boning. You can see how lovely this is looking, and my clients love it. You can see how I stoned the upper part of this dress, the net area part of this dress. You can see the eyelets, the way it is well seated at the back. If you enjoyed this video, kindly please turn on your notification bell to get more videos like this. Kindly subscribe if you haven't done so, and also comment below where you're watching this video from. Until I see you again in the next one, bye.